Hey guys, we just got our drinks and it's Farron Cafe.
I thought it's Starbucks. Starbucks.
Yeah, we thought it's Starbucks. All of us.
Because it has green straw.
Yeah, it has a green straw definitely. So we're just gonna do the challenge brain freeze challenge. So guys, stick it in. Go in here. Game.
Wait, who has a bigger phone? Me or you? Me?
Yeah, you. 1, 2, 3, game.
Kaya ko na. Masakit sa ulo.
Regarding your merchandiser, Universal.
She's stopping.
Once again, calling the attention regarding your merchandiser to customer service, please.
Hindi kaya. Wala kayo.
She's stopping.
I have a big reveal. We are the Philippines and Helena is a Filipino and she speaks Tagalog but she only speak English.
Yeah, we have.
Kasi pangit siya.
What? I didn't understand that thing. I don't know what's the meaning of that pangit.
And August.
No,
Bukas ang birthday niya. Bukas birthday niya. Tapos ngayon sabihin niya birthday niya daw ngayon pero hindi naman.
Why? I don't understand you. This is the ugliest of all. And she's the prettiest of all. And I'm the middle class.
Please do not leave your children.
Yes, because I have the cleaner
Jump shop